We are looking at the HTML page of yoga, and in the next tab I have opened the front-end web index.php. So from the last episode, which is part 2, you could see a lot of significant changes has happened here. Yes, the theme looks almost the same except the pictures are not being loaded. So how to load the pictures I will discuss in another episode. So in this current episode we are going to discuss how to bring in the HTML theme in proper without the images so that it works properly. So let's go to the VS Code. Here I have opened the front end views layouts main.php, which was our original main.php before we built up the theme, right? So this is the main.php which is inside the themes folder, as you could recap from my previous 2 episodes. So this main.php will be controlling the theme. So what is the difference I did here? You can see from the index.php, from the last 2 episodes, I have brought in all the header and footer information except the body. Body is the section details which shows here. Actually this is the body. All this what we are seeing is the body. So the header, the navigation, everything has come into the main.php themes folder. Remember, themes folder. This is just the original folder I want to put here for you to understand as a comparison. So till the begin body, PHP, this begin body, nothing is changed, you can see, right? And after that there is a division class wrap, so you can delete that one because it is not part of the theme. So I saved it. Then you can see the navbar begin starts as well as the navbar widgets and everything starts, right? So an important point to note here is this content, echo content by PHP. If you don't put this echo content, then the body is not going to show. So that is why this echo content is very important. The nav class has come here and then followed by the footer and end body end page. So that's what I have done in this episode, and if you do this you will be able to see inside the front end web index everything similar to what I am showing here. You can see everything here. So only the pictures have not come in yet, and of course the links to the classes, schedule, about, blog has not come in X. For example, I click the classes object not found. E is complaining that of course I did not put the link, right? So once we put the link we will be able to see all those data coming in. So let me pause the video and put on the links as well as all the pages so that we can see in full all the details. Okay, let us see what I have done now. You can see that inside the themes views side I have created certain files which matches to our menu: home, classes, schedule, about, blog, contact. Classes, schedule, blog, contact, about, everything is available now. So I have created empty pages here. So I will show you one typical example, and the balance you can do yourself as a homework. So let's go into the blog. I have opened the blog page. Now I have opened, for simplicity's sake, the yoga HTML folder in Notepad++. So let me go to the blog. So I copy everything, I paste it here to the blog, and now we don't want certain things. We don't want all these front pages, HTML, document type, body, everything, navigation. Until end navigation you delete, and section retain it until we go to the footer and the balance of the portions. Yes, the footer, everything we delete and save it. Now let's simply test the blog. It's not working, right? Because we did not give the link in the main. So let's go to the main tab and give the link to the blog. So H reference, you have to put like /site/blog. Save. Again we will be seeing an error. So let's refresh back, give a refresh, and blog. We'll feeling an error because why? The site controller does not have a method. So we go to the site controller in the front end, and here we are going to add in like, for example, action about. We just copy paste it here and add in a method action blog, blog, and then we put blog here, blog. Save. So let's refresh and see. It's still not coming. Yeah, because it is not loading to localhost site blog. Actually it has to load like this. Front end, copy, question mark, r equal to blog, r equal to site/blog. So you can see that the blog is loaded. So this is how you need to do all these links and copy. For example, I will show you again. If you want the about, just go into the about page, copy everything, bring it back to the about page in our theme folder, copy paste, and delete all those front HTML markups until the nav class is finished. Then the section starts for the about. Go down till you see the footer data, delete that. Let's go to the footer data. Yes, the footer data is available here. Delete till the end. Save it. And one more thing I wanted to highlight to you here is that inside the theme asset.php, I have commented out themes JS query minimum because each theme already has a JS query inbuilt inside them. So this will be double loading the JS query. So this is not needed actually. This is another important point I wanted to highlight to you. So now that we have done the about, we have to go to the about folder and we change it to site/about. Save it And remember that inside the site controller, the about action is already inbuilt, so we no need to change anything. So if we click that site about ABOUT, you can see the about page is coming in. So you can hopefully do all the other pages and then bring it to this level. So we will meet in another episode where I will bring in all the pictures, make this theme properly working. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like it and press the bell button so that you will get latest information on my updates. Thanks guys and bye bye.